Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs bundles. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs bundles module. And today we're talking about Parallax bundle. This is the bundle example. I have it on the demo site. So you can see here. And inside this bundle, it's a child of the Paragraphs bundles. So what is the Paragraphs bundles? Module is the upgraded version for the W3 CSS paragraph, and you will need paragraphs module installed and field group module installed. To start, I have a local site installed with these modules, and I'm gonna enable the first module we need to enable, which is Parallax bundle. So here it is. It will ask me to enable the parents. I say yes, and I ask for the image bundle. Yes, because it's using some image inside it. After enable it, I'm just gonna go structure paragraph type. I want to see what it is exactly. So you have the section and the parent. That's what it is exactly. These are inside the image bundle. This is the default. So this is what you get inside this bundle, these two, the parent and the child. So let's go add content. I have a content type with the paragraph type and add paragraph, and you see here all the bundles available. Quick note, I don't want to see this one here because I will never use it here. I always going to use it here inside. So quick fix, you go structure, content type, manage field, and you update the paragraph field to say exclude, and you want to exclude this one and save. Let's go content, add content, and then when we add now a new one, we should see only the bundles I wanted to add. So click here, here it is. So I want to add this one. So let's add a title. I'm not adding any extra things. So what is the section? The section inside it, you could see here, it has an image and body, and both of them are required. So to add this one, I'm just gonna add some text and add image, save. I'm not playing with anything. Don't forget, this is the blue is the parent, the green is the child. You have here the display for the parent, the 13 default field, and for each child, of course, you have the display for it. So I'm just gonna click save, and this is what it is out of the box you get. So if I go now, and I'm just gonna duplicate whatever I created quick. But let's add some color or something. You can add color to the parents, you could add color to the child. As I recommended before, the colors, it's always easy to just add to the parent. And if you want a specific color to be overridden or something, like just give it to the child or something like that. And I usually add padding just to get. So this is what you see here. Here it is. So if I click edit and collapse, and you could do this one. I'm just duplicating for quick demo. I can remove the image, add new image, use different image. And if I click save, so here it is. This is, and of course inside this one, this is what's the text. You could add padding or anything or color or something. This is the Parallax demo, quick out of the box. Just it has so many features, customization. Feel free to use it. Hope you like the demo. See you on the next one.